This is one stainless steel flanged end ball valve. This ball valve is of two-piece design. This is one piece. This is called body, and this is another piece. This is called end piece or adapter piece. This is the lever. Ball valve is quarter turn, 90-degree turn. Now lever is like this, so valve is now on. Now valve is on like this. When lever is rotated by 90-degree, ball rotates and valve gets closed. This is closed and this is open. These two are stopper pin for handle or for lever. Lever rotates by 90-degree like this. So now the valve is in closed condition and now the valve is in open condition. This is closed. If we want the lever on this side, then suppose we have some obstruction on this side and we want the lever in this side. So what we will have to do, we will have to remove these two stopper pins. We place one stopper pin here like this and another stopper pin here like this. So earlier the stopper pins were here and here. Now I have changed stopper pins to here and here. So now the valve will be opened like this and valve will be closed like this. This is closed condition. If we want to keep the valve as locked close, then we open this stopper pin and provide this stopper pin here. So now valve cannot be opened. Valve is in closed condition like this. Now I have removed both the stopper pins. Now the valve can rotate all around like this, all around. This is open condition, this is closed, this is open, again this is closed. This is open condition. If we want to keep the ball valve as locked open, then we have to provide one stopper pin here like this and another stopper pin here like this. Now I have provided stopper pin here and here. So at this condition, valve handle cannot be rotated. So now the valve is in locked open condition.